Question number 4. For part A, I had to find the derivative of the function and find the relative extrema for it where it's defined. So f of x equals 10 minus 5x times e to 1 minus 0.125x squared. And then the derivative of that is 10 minus 5xe to 1 minus 1/8 to the x squared power. And then I got this from the derivative, continued solving it. So the derivative was finally negative 5e to the 1 minus 1/8 x squared power plus 5x squared e to the 1 minus 1/8 x squared power all over 4. So that was the derivative of f of x. And then solving for that, I got that x equals negative 2 and 2. And so then that meant that the relative max at x minus 2 was 10 plus 10 to the e, or 26.487. And then f of x at 2, the relative min was 10 minus 10 to the square root of e, or negative 6.487. And then for part B, I had to find the absolute extrema at 0, 5, right here. And so I made a table of 0, 2, and 5, and I put the 2 in because from earlier we know that 2 is on the graph. And so then I plugged them into the calculator, and for 0, f of x is 10. At 2, it's the same as before, it's negative 6.487. And when x is 5, we got f of x equaling 7.014. And so that means that the absolute min of the problem, because the lowest for f of x, the smallest number, was negative 6.487, so the absolute min is at 2, negative 6.487. And then the absolute max, because 5 on the graph was the highest, at 7.014. The absolute max is x of 5, f of x 7.014.